Giving a completely new look to a Suzuki Ravi that had become a junkyard is truly a testament to Ustad Imran's skill. Welcome to Pak Automaster. Looking at the vehicle on your screen right now, no one could have imagined it would ever be roadworthy again. Left in a corner for years, this Suzuki Ravi was no longer a car. It looked like nothing more than a pile of scrap. People said to throw it away, that it was completely useless. But our Ustad Imran had other plans. When this vehicle was brought to our local workshop, our expert and experienced Ustad Imran inspected it with his sharp mind and keen eye. The parts that were still usable were carefully salvaged. But when it came to the main frame, we discovered it was rusted to the core and beyond repair. So, with a heavy heart, that old structure was sent to the junkyard. The old frame is gone, but the story doesn't end there. In fact, a new record is about to be set. We purchased a brand new chassis frame from the market. Now came the most crucial and legal task, transferring the old vehicle's identity, its chassis number, onto this new frame. Ustad Imran worked his magic and executed this task with ultimate precision, ensuring the vehicle's legal status remains intact while giving it a rock-solid foundation. Friends, sitting in a local Pakistani workshop, building a zero-meter vehicle without a major factory setup or modern machinery is no ordinary feat. But when it comes to Ustad Imran, who possesses 30 years of extensive experience and a passion for hard work, the impossible becomes possible. Following the chassis frame, every single body part of the vehicle was purchased completely brand new. Ustad Imran is now transforming this piece of scrap into a refreshed, high-quality vehicle that will leave onlookers absolutely stunned. The truth is, our local workshops in Pakistan are home to hidden gems, masters of their craft, who have no equal. These are the people who know how to turn dust into gold. Ustad Imran's day and night dedication proves that when you have true skill, you can make history. When this Suzuki Ravi is fully completed, it won't just be a vehicle. Creating a brand new Suzuki within a local Pakistani workshop in less than a day, and without high-end tools, will stand as an unparalleled record of craftsmanship in Pakistan. Ustad Imran is building a refreshed, top-tier vehicle that will set a new benchmark on the road. Friends, we constantly strive to bring you excellent content. If you appreciate Ustad Imran's 30 years of experience and dedication, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a warm comment for Ustad. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, goodbye and Allah Hafiz.